I want to discuss the start of your trading day. How do you find direction? Um, Not so much your watch list. Um, there's sources for your watch list. How do you judge where the market's going to go? How do you judge if perhaps today you're going to go long or short, or whether it's a good idea to go long or short? And throughout your trading day, the interim during the trading day, what are you looking at? What are you watching while you're trading to judge whether you should get out of your position other than the fact that your stock is going up and down? And today we want to talk about that. In today's video, we're going to talk about the start of your trading day, how you get your footing, how you find direction before you even think about investing in a stock, particularly day trading. And if you're an investor and you're looking at a name like what was a big name today? Riot, RIOT. Would I have invested in Riot if the market was down? Well, I might look at the chart and find a better entry level instead of waiting for it to go up. How would I know that the market is going to be strong today or weak? Well, I go to investing.com and I look at these indicators. These are called futures. What are futures? They're investors, options. They're betting, literally betting, that the market is going to do better tomorrow and that you're going to have, see the VIX here? They're betting that you're going to have a low volatility day tomorrow. Now today, right now, it's only 9 o'clock at night. If you have some kind of geopolitical issue, a war, an earthquake, there's so many things on the list, it could change your futures and it could change what's going to happen in the market tomorrow. So it's not just a matter of good stock picks, especially if you're day trading. You want to know if you're going to go long or short. Are you going to go short if the market is strong and you got a strong bull rally going? Chances are that would not be a good idea unless you have a tremendously weak stock. And we can pick on BABA, as a matter of fact. The last trading day last week, I believe it was Thursday, BABA was a good trade short because the market was not in a real strong rally mode, and there was news about Mr. Ma and what the Chinese government is going to do. So anybody that went long on BABA, even if they decided it's a good company, and it is a massive company, it certainly would not have been a good entry unless you caught the bottom. And it's very difficult to catch the bottom. So, just for your information, and maybe this helps you, you want to look at the futures. And particularly, I like investing.com on my phone. This looks a little more clearer. It's not so busy, if you get my drift. And your futures bets and how green it is. And sometimes the futures are really raging in the positive direction. And it helps you to decide what direction your trading day is going to have. Your stock picks are usually your stock picks, right? If you're going long, if you're investing or you're trading, those are other subjects that we're not going to cover here. But look at your futures. Look at your futures. Look at them before you go to bed. If you wake up in the middle of the night, just look at them, unless it's going to cause you to lose sleep. And then before you trade in the morning, look at the direction of the market. And then on your intraday, in the beginning of the day, your trading day, you want to look at the S&P 500 or SPY, the NASDAQ or QQQ, which is an ETF that tracks the NASDAQ. And you want to look at the Dow. Depending on what you're going to trade, so that you have direction. Don't just jump in a stock just because somebody said it's a good stock. And you may want to scale in a good stock that you think you're going to hold for a long time because it's a good investment. Okay, thanks for listening. A thumbs up will help my channel. I'm only starting out. Okay, I started a Discord. I don't have any followers yet. We're trying to work on this thing. Thumbs up will help, and subscriptions to my channel will help, and I would appreciate it. Thank you. Happy New Year.